Welcome to my veggie garden. The garden is very full this year with veggies, herbs and plants. The purple kale plant has been producing nutritious leaves for us to eat for 2 to 3 years. We've eaten some lovely fresh sweet peas. They add nitrogen to the soil, enriching it for other plants. The nasturtiums grow happily with the peas, or with anything really, and anywhere. Their leaves and flowers and seeds are all edible and contain vitamin C and other nutrients. This rhubarb plant is massive, about 1.5 metres in diameter. It is a plant from my mother's garden, and I've had it for about 20 years. Here we have violets, purple broccoli and calendula all growing happily together. Calendulas grow happily amongst all the plants and self-seed. They are good medicinally. The kale flowers attract the bees and look pretty. All these flowers help themselves into my garden and bring the bees. The kale and silver beet feed us repeatedly. This sage plant is 3 years old, and it has taken all that time to get established. It is first time for flowering. The red veined sorrel is very pretty. This spinach is so fresh and crisp. Eat it fresh in your salad or sprinkle it on top of a bowl of soup or stew. It's so crunchy and good for you. This red veined sorrel I find a bit tart, but it's so pretty I really will keep it in my garden. These ruby red lettuces I grew from seed from plants I grew a couple of years ago. They're full of antioxidants. The leaves of these red arrow radishes are even more nutritious than the bulbs. I hope you enjoyed the view of my veggie garden. Please like, subscribe and share, and come back again because next week I'll have some more things in the garden.